4 statehouse officials test positive for COVID-19 as Kenya records 133 new cases. 4 staffers working at statehouse have tested positive for the coronavirus, spokesperson Kanze Dena has said. President Uhuru Kenyatta and the first family are free of the virus, she said. In a statement on Monday, Dena said, during last week's mass COVID-19 testing held on Thursday, June 11, 2020, 4 persons were found to have contracted the disease. Ms. Dena said the 4 cases were reported following mass testing at Statehouse on June 11. The venue hosted a virtual 57th Madaraka Day celebrations on June 1 due to the coronavirus pandemic that has seen a ban on social gatherings. Statehouse has been hosting functions including Jubilee Parliamentary Group and Senators Meeting. President Uhuru Kenyatta and members of his family tested negative for the virus and are safe and free from COVID-19. The infected officers were admitted at the Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital in Kiambio County for treatment, Kanze said. She added that families and close contacts of the affected officers are also being attended to accordingly. To strengthen COVID-19 containment measures, extra access protocols for statehouse staff residing outside the compound and visitors have been rolled out, she said. The measures include prior tests for those intending to visit the place. In a rallying call against susceptibility to the virus, Ms. Kanze said no one was immune to the virus. Let's us all, therefore, endeavor to fully adhere to the COVID-19 containment protocols as set out by the Ministry of Health, she said. Opposition Chief Raila Odinga, who attended the fete, has also shared his coronavirus status. Mr. Odinga, who tested negative, shared the results moments after receiving them from the Kenya Medical Research Institute earlier today. He took the test yesterday and urged Kenyans to get tested as they continue to adhere to the government guidelines. Meanwhile, in the last 24 hours, Kenya tested 3,365 samples, out of which 133 people have tested positive for the virus. Tally stands at 3,727 cases since the outbreak. Experts have also warned that if the restrictions are relaxed by 20%, there will be 200,000 infections and 30,000 deaths by December. Relaxation by 40%, they say, will result in Indiana 300,000 new infections and 40,000 deaths in November.